In this video, we'll demonstrate how to factory reset your MacBook. Let's begin. Before delving into the process of factory resetting your MacBook, be aware that this will erase all your personal data from the device. If you're planning to sell or trade in your MacBook, a factory reset is the recommended approach. First and foremost, back up your Mac and log out of iCloud and iMessage. To back up your Mac, you can store files in iCloud for the backup. Alternatively, you can also use an external hard drive by connecting it to the USB port to back up all your files. Once the backup is complete, click on the Apple icon at the top left corner and navigate to System Preferences. Then go to General and select Transfer or Reset. Choose Erase all content and settings and enter your passcode. After entering the passcode, click on Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Mac. Voila! Your Mac has been transformed into a brand new one. Now, subscribe to Guiding Tech and dive into one of these videos crafted just for you.